Now then, suppose we want to change some of these dimensions. And I'm going to show you something. Select the center line and press the X key and then V, and we can now see a cross section of our ball. V again. Now suppose we wanted to make this thickness the same as the base thickness here. We've got 0.3125 and 0.25. So we need to reduce the diameter, the outer diameter. So press D to go back into design mode. We need to be in the pull tool. So select the outer diameter. We see its value is 1.313. So simply change that to 1.25. Return. Click it. Center line. X. V. Base and wall thickness are the same. D key, select the inner face. If we want that to be smaller, 0.75 say, return, X, V. If you don't like any of these, you can simply type Ctrl Z to backtrack. Ctrl Z once, twice, and back to where we started. Suppose we wanted to make the bowl shallower. You can simply drag it up and down. If you drag it too far down, you put a hole in it. You can type in an exact measurement in the blue area, or just position it where you fancy. So it's as simple as that. If you want a different radii, 0.7, say 0.5, 0.05, there you go. So it's even simpler than you thought, eh? It's a good little program, this.